Pumasok ako ng PBB na may dalang konting damit at pangarap lang. Kaya hindi ko in-expect na aabot ako sa dulo. Cause, what do you mean? Umabot talaga tayo sa dulo? No way. Legit? 10 years ago, di ako pinalad na makapasok sa PBB. Siguro dahil hindi pa ako ready. I'm a firm believer that when plans don't go your way, it's because God has a bigger one. At ito yon. Hanggang ngayon po, hindi ko pa rin po maintindihan kung ano ang ginawa kong tama sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya para maging big winner. Dahil ang ginawa ko lang naman po ay ang bilin ng mga mahal ko sa buhay, ang maging ako. Thank you for letting me reintroduce myself. Words are not enough to explain how overwhelmed I am sa lahat ng sumalubong na pagmamahal sa amin. Maraming salamat po. Araw-araw po ako maghahanap ng paraan para maibalik sa inyo ang pagmamahal na natatanggap namin. Kayo po ang tunay na big winner. To Shukla and Dasby, dala-dala namin kayo sa laban namin. To Kaka, thank you for fighting next to me the whole time. Isa ka sa unang nagtiwala at nagpaalaala sa akin ng totoong laban ko. Ready na ako sa outside world task namin. My immunity queen. To Brent, welcome to the outside world, partner. If not for you, this wouldn't have been possible. From your manifestation sa first duo formation, to being the final duo, to being the first duo big winner. You really made this journey easier by carrying my emotions with me. You never made me feel na mabigat yung baggage ko kasi lagi kang ready na sumalo. And kahit na nasa labas na tayo, walang magbabago. I got you. You got me. I also want to take this chance to thank lahat ng PBB Collab Edition. The management, the networks, the hosts, the teams who work relentlessly to make the show what it is. And to my co-housemates, you guys made this experience very special and worth remembering. And I wouldn't have any other way.